Sounds kind of dumb and gross. See what these sound like. Much better. Wow, I love that. Alright guys, let me show you what I bought here. The horns, it's actually a dual horn, 400 hertz and a 500 hertz horn. It claims to be bass tone, made by Pia, 2 pieces. And what I did was clamp them together with Gorilla Glue because I could not find a place to separate them and have them in 2 different places. So I'm going on the stock location, made this bracket, and it shouldn't look too gross. This was the stock horn, and you can tell the size difference here. This is all plastic, unfortunately, so I don't know how long it'll last, but it wasn't very expensive. But the stock one's all metal, all steel. And I also made 2 pigtails here. So all there is left to do is put it on. Let's do it. Alright, we're doing 80. Let's see if you can even hear this horn. Yeah, that's pretty fun. So much better than stock. Oh, let's honk at these girls. They didn't pay attention. I will link this horn setup below in the comments if you want to pick one up. They're not too expensive. So how many of you guys actually use your horn on a regular basis? Leave a comment below, let me know, because I rarely do. But maybe I'll start because it sounds so much better now. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and hit that bell notification if you so desire. And until next time, I will see you guys later.